Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn another rules of IUPAC nomenclature. In last class, I already explained you the first rule of IUPAC. What is the first rule of IUPAC? Then, in a organic structure or in a organic compound, for IUPAC nomenclature, first work is choose the longest chain or choose the longest chain in compound. ठीक है. Second rule of IUPAC, but before the second rule of IUPAC, we must know about the substitute group. About the substituted group. Now, what is the means of substitute group? What is the means of a substituted group? Then, for example, we have a simple organic compound methane, CH4. We know IUPAC name of this compound is methane. In methane molecule, one hydrogen atom. If one hydrogen atom displaced from here, then CH3 will form. Methane, methyl. But in this structure, if one hydrogen atom replaced from other group minus H and plus Z, then Z will attach it. Then Z will attach it. It's a substitute group. Substitute group. एक बात का स्पेशल ध्यान रखना बेटा, सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप में both removal and attached group are shows the same valency. Both removal group and attached group shows the same valency. ऐसा ना हो जाए कहीं, सपोज दैट मैंने यहां से वन हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव किया और मैं जो Z अटैच कर रहा हूं, if valency of Z is 2, then Z can't attach with this group because the valency of Z is 2 and valency of hydrogen is only 1. Then Z does not a substitute group. Z must attach with the same valency. Next, if Z shows the 2 valency, then Z attach with this carbon, then 2 hydrogen atom will remove and one Z group will attach it, means CH2 double bond Z. समझ में आ गई बात? Both removal and attached group always shows the same valency. Substitute group Z, but a substitute group have always the same valency as a removal group. For example, CH4, one hydrogen removed by Cl. We know both have same valency, hydrogen and chlorine both are shows that one valency. Then CH3Cl compound before, because Cl shows one valency, hydrogen is shows it also one valency. But suppose that CH4, देखो ध्यान देना, Cl is a substitute group. Z तो मैंने एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बताया, Cl is a substitute group. In next example, one oxygen atom attached with the carbon, means 2 hydrogen atom will remove, so CH2 double bond O. CH2 double bond O. Another example, CH4 attached with one nitrogen, means 3 hydrogen atom will remove from here, so HC triple bond N. 3 hydrogen atom remove from here means 1 nitrogen attached with this carbon. Carbon shows it 4 valency, nitrogen valency is 3. Okay, so now second rule for IUPAC nomenclature. Second rule for IUPAC nomenclature. this grouping or this rule explain the elongate chain with the maximum substitute group. Very important rule. Maximum substitute group. Second rule of IPSC, explain the elongate chain with maximum substitute group. ध्यान से सुनना, मैंने पहले बोला कि elongate और longest chain को चूज करना है, बट सेकंड रूल यहां पर ये आ गया कि वो longest और elongate chain मैक्सिमम सब्स्टिट्यूट ग्रुप को लेकर चलनी चाहिए। एग्जांपल से समझ रहे हैं इस बात को? It's a compound with CH3, CH2, CH, CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3. In this structure, for example, मैंने क्वेश्चन किया, give the IUPAC name of this compound. Then, before IUPAC nomenclature, we follow the some rules of IUPAC. And first rule, elongate chain. Second rule, elongate chain with maximum substitute group. In this structure, if this methyl group are absent is here, then this carbon valency complete by hydrogen atom. It means one hydrogen atom of this carbon is replaced by methyl group. So methyl is a substitute group. Next, elongate chain को चूज करूं मैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This hydrogen atom, if this hydrogen atom also removed by or also replaced by one hydrogen, then one methyl group it is, and it's also a substitute group. Now choose the elongate chain. Its first rule, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 carbon. If this chain or elongate chain, then total number of substitute group in this chain, these are 1 and 2. It's also a substituting and 3. But in this example, elongate chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, then 1 2 and 3. Same 3 substitute group are present in a branch chain and 3 substitute group are present in a straight chain. It means both are same for nomenclature. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Total 7 carbon present in a elongate chain and 3 substitute group are present 1 2 and 3. Another elongate chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. In this condition, same 1 2 and 3 same substitute group are present. It means elongate chain may be straight or may be branched. Both are same because of a same substitute group. If substitute group are changed, for example, in this structure, this carbon have total 3 methyl group are present, then which is the elongate carbon chain with the maximum substitute group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Only 3 substitute group are present. But elongate chain according branched, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total number of substitute groups 1, 2, 3 and 4. In first case, total number of substitute group is 3. In second case, total number of substitute group is 4. Then which is it? Choose it according IUPAC theory. Then second term. According second rule, because in branch total number of substitute group 4 and in straight chain total number of substitute group only 3. Then which is right for IUPAC rule? 4. It means it's a elongate chain with maximum substitute group. ओके बेटा, मैंने 2 रूल बताए हैं, आगे हम अगली क्लास में देखते हैं।